In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to create a QR code in Microsoft Word. It takes less than a minute, and anyone can do it. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and type the information you want your QR code to contain. This can include your name, phone number, email address, website, business details, or any other text you want people to access by scanning the code. Once you've entered your information, go to a new line at the top of text and type DisplayBarcode, followed by an opening quotation mark. Paste or type all of your information inside the quotation marks, then add the closing quotation mark. After the closing quotation mark, type QR. Make sure the spelling and spacing are exactly correct, as Word uses this command to generate the QR code. Now select the entire line. Next, press Ctrl plus F9 to insert field braces around the command. Don't type the braces manually. They must be inserted using the keyboard shortcut. Finally, right-click on the text and select Toggle Field Codes. And that's it. Within seconds, Microsoft Word will generate a fully functional QR code. You can resize it, print it, or add it to business cards, flyers, brochures, invitations, resumes, product packaging, or any other document. To make sure everything is working correctly, open your phone's camera or any QR code scanner and scan the code. It should instantly display the information you entered. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more quick Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.